Ako nang na-send sa ato ang link. So for the meantime, let us wait for the others. We will start our discussion by 7:15. Alright, so once again, guys, good morning. No? It's already 7:15. So let us officially start our discussion for the subject Introduction to AI. So please bear with me because it is also my first time handling the subject. So I already uploaded or send links, no, for other references that we can use with this subject, no. But for now, we will just first go to the definition of what is artificial intelligence. What is the definition, uses, and types of AI in general. So reference will be Coursera, which I forwarded into our GC as well as our Google Classroom. So pwede ra gito ninyo i-download if you want, or I mean open if you want. But anyway, so let us start. So particularly guys, kung may tag AI, the boom of AI was during around the early 20 20 2000 siguro, no. AI was already introduced during that time, but not that applicable yet in the in the sige na dili pa siya trend kaayo sa community or kana na to ba. So mostly AI are being used in research and development, in manufacturing, in the industrial aspects. So sa una, wala kayo na or dili kayo na ingon nga ilado si AI. So si AI gamit lang yun kayo na siya ngadto sa indo sa mga trabahoan, sa mga pabrika, excuse me, and so on and so forth. Okay? So unsa gyud na si AI or artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or in short, AI, refers to computer systems capable of performing complex tasks that historically only a human can do, such as reasoning, making decisions, or solving problems. Today, the term AI describes a wide range of technologies that power many of the services and goods we use every day, from applications that recommend TV shows to chatbots that provide customer support in real time. But the question here is, but do all of these really constitute artificial intelligence as most of us envision it? And if not, then why do we use them so often? So ngano ka, no? So by definition, ang kaning AI daw is kana siya refers to a computer system. Dili ni siya software alone, but rather a computer system. AI is composed of both hardware and software. Dili na siya software alone. Kay kung maingon kag software, so mahog na siya mura na siya operating system, something like that, or OS, no? Or application in general. So, iyang kuan ang AI is capable of performing complex tasks such as uh, reasoning, making decisions, or solving problems. So, for example, AI's kana example application of AIs nga atong gigamit sa matag adlaw is are you guys using kanang bitang inig chat ninyo kay or inig text ninyo sa inyong cellphones is naanay murag mo auto predict siya sa word nga imong gamito next. Like for example, sa ako ang cellphone kay ako ning gi-turn on nga feature nga every time ko mo chat ko sa anyone, so ako rang murag pislit-pisliton na lang nako ang gi-predict sa ako ang keyboard nga sunod nga word nga ako istorya. So kana siya. Next, another application of AI is kana mga facial recognition nga gigamit karon sa industry. So sa una katong nakatrabaho pa ko sa Alliance, ang gigamit nila nga attendance is dili biometric. Ay biometric gyapon siya pero dili katong kana bitaw sa fingerprints na to. Dili ka na ilang gigamit. So didto sa Alliance ilang gigamit is facial recognition. So kana picture matuban lang ka sa camera nya i-confirm nila if ako ba gyud nang naa sa kana nga ID. So usahay masayop man to kay ako ang naong naa sa ID pero ang ma-detect sa camera kay James Reid, so kana siya bitaw char lang binuang ra guys. to mo to. And another example of application sa AI is kana akong giingon ninyo nga katong pag last meeting nga kana bitaw kana magstorya mo og something nga ay mopalit ko let's say carsonis or na ako'y plano mopalit og kanang sabon pang skincare or anything random nga inyong mastoryaan. So sunod ana makabantay na mo inig open sa iyong Facebook, inig open sa iyong Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, daghan kayong manggawas nga ads related ato nga imong gipanstorya bisag wala pa ka search kumbaga nakaibaw na daan ang imong devices nga mao ni mong gustong paliton. So nga or nag-advertise sa sila nimo. So kana siya. Okay? So in this article, kaning sa Coursera nga article, you'll learn more about artificial intelligence, unsa gid iyang gibuhat or buhaton, and different types of it. In the end, you'll also learn about some of its benefits and dangers, and explore flexible courses that can help you expand your knowledge of AI even further. So for your reference, pwede ra gyud mo enroll ani kani siya AR for everyone. So daghan kayong courses karon sa Coursera, and FYI lang pod kani akong gisend sa inyong GC kaning learning.edx.org. So FYI lang, this is a Harvard nga online course ni siya. So if you are diligent enough to take this to enroll yourselves sa kaning course is kana makakuha mo og certificate at the end of after ninyo learn aning kuan. Ako pa ning tan-awon sad karon kay gahapon man siguro ni gisen ni Engineer Rafran ako niya. Wa ko na view kay na busy pod ko lagi. So kana sige. So I hope nga maengganyo sad mo ba. Kanisang Coursera naay mga kuanri libre nga unsa nga nga certifications nga pwede ninyong enrollan walay bayad. So kuan na gid mo register na gid mo. Sige, so let's move on. Now, padayon ta kung what is artificial intelligence. So AI is the theory and development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that historically required human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and identifying patterns. So AI, guys, is just an umbrella term that encompasses a wide variety of technologies, mainly machine learning, we have deep learning, and natural language processing. So ang AI, kumbaga gitawag na lang na siya AI kailan sa kayo kuan kag machine learning, deep learning, yan ay istorya pa na nimo sa common folk. Ang mga tao di man gyud kasabot ani. So in short, mingon lang ta nga mo na siya AI na siya. So machine learning. So unsa gyud ang machine learning? Ato ning open tab. When we say machine learning, this refers to asa to siya? Tara. Ang machine learning uses algorithm trained on data sets to create models that enable machines to perform tasks that would otherwise only be possible for humans, such as categorizing images, analyzing data, or predicting price fluctuations. So, an example of a machine learning application is um, kanang kuan sa arita sa agriculture. So naay mga ang robots anang mga agricultural karon nga devices or technologies is naa sila'y kanang robot nga ilang i-train tan-awon ilang pa kuanon i-train meaning ilang hatagan og thousands of pictures of kanang weeds and dili weed nga kanang marijuana weeds nga kanang sagbot ba weeds and kanang crops so ilang i-differentiate. So hatagan nila laylay daghan kayong picture until such time nga ang katong imong katuyang machine maka-distinguish na nga kani siya weed ni siya, kani siya is ang crop ni siya. So once nga ma-finalize na to niya or kanang murag efficient na kaayo ang pag-learn ato nga machine is inig-deploy ato niya. So ang pamatyon nga sagbot atong katong nga device is ang sagbot ra gyud. So kumbaga tirahan lag laser ang katong mga sagbot para dili dayon mo tubo or di mamatay gid siya. Kana. Deep learning is murag ari na ni siya sa kuan ato ning i-alt tab pod. Kung moingon tag deep learning, this refers to a method no that trains computers to process information in a way that mimics human neural processes. So kumbaga mura na siya og kanang sa software nga part, or dili siya software nga part but rather sa algorithm na siya nga part no, nga ilang kanang murag ilang imimik ba how our brains work. Kana neural networks attempts to model human learning by digesting and analyzing massive amounts of information, also known as training data. So usually, deep learning is applied in the business or in the financial nga aspect. So if you are familiar with stocks or with the kanang say nga anay kana bitong magsaka ka na og burag crypto ba. So yan na ba. If you're familiar with that, so diha na kasagaran i-apply. Do you have any questions whatsoever? Wala ra may pangutana. So kuan lang thumbs up lang if wala ra pangutana or goods ra. Virtual thumbs up. Sige. Yes, ni raise og hand si Felices. Naklaro kayo na pislitan ra to. Sige. Okay, so let us proceed. So asa na tato? Dali. Although the term is commonly used to describe a range of different technologies in use today, many disagree on whether these actually constitute artificial intelligence. Instead, some argue that much of the technology used in the real world today actually constitutes highly advanced machine learning that is simply a first step forwards through artificial intelligence or general artificial intelligence. Bitaw sa? So, kumbaga karon daghan kay mo argue nga ang kaning AI or uh, open quote AI close quote is dili gina siya ingon nga matawag og AI. So kumbaga karon advancement lang na siya sa machine learning or advancement lang na siya sa atong technology today. Kay kung moingon ta og AI gyud nga legit gyud nga AI, so mura na gyud na siya og tao magunahon na. Mura siya si Jarvis ni Iron Man ba? Kaila mo Jarvis? Wa mo kailan Jarvis. Jarvis katong iyang robot, katong iyang companion ni Iron Man sa iyang suit ba. So kana mo to example sa AI nya nga legit gid nga AI kay kato mag kuan ra gyud magstorya anay ra sila ni kuan murag normal nga tao nya usahay magbinuang pagani or usahay na sarcastic nga reply, so kana ba murag makakuan gid siya kung mingon tag complete AI, so makakuan siya makakopya gid siya or makamimik gid siya sa unsay atong bation as a person. So kay bawo siya mo empathize, kay bawo siya mo masuko, kay bawo siya masarcastic or yan na ba maka-adjust siya. But for now, I think mo kuan gid ko ani nga opinion statement kani nga for now I think dili pa kayo kuan ang atong AI, but we are already on the steps of producing the ultimate AI. So kana siya. Yet, despite the many philosophical disagreements over whether true intelligent machines actually exist, when most people use the term AI today, they're referring to a suite of machine learning powered technologies such as ChatGPT. So, kana si ChatGPT, AI ko nun na, but I think ChatGPT is just an enhanced version of our search engines. Kung si ChatGPT mura lang siya og para nako ha opinion na ni nako pwede ra sad mo mosumpaki, pwede ra sad mo mo-agree. So kani si ChatGPT mura ra ni siya og upgrade kumbaga sa ato mga search browser. Kay sa una kung mo search ta Google how to bake, for example, how to bake cake. So magawas ra man tanan links. Sa kan ChatGPT lang is specify lang gid niya or mas specify specific gid niya ang steps on how to bake the cake, di ba? Sa una moingon ta kanang search for letter template. So naay manggawas dayon mga images or another links nga mo redirect nato ana nga images. But today using ChatGPT, siya na mismo ang mubuhat sa specifics nga astang format sa kuan ang sud sa mong letter and so on and so forth. So kana siya. Okay? Then let's go on to examples of artificial intelligence. So though the humanoid robots often associated with AI, so mao gini kasagaran natong kuano, kumingon tag AI kani mga humanoid robots. Kung sa Japan pa ni kana mga waifu no. Then don't exist yet, you've likely interacted with machine learning powered services or devices many times before. So what are those examples? Kani number one yun ni ChatGPT. Mo na pirmi na tong gamiton. Hasta ako mo gamit sa kuani, no? Next we have Google Translate. So AI sa ni siya kay the technology being used in Google Translate is deep learning algorithms to translate text from one language to excuse me, another. Then we have Netflix. So unsa may AI nga naa sa Netflix. So ang gigamit sa Netflix is machine learning algorithms para itan-aw niya or iyang mo recommend siya shows nimo based sa imuhang mga natan-aw from the past or gitan-aw from the past. Mura sa nag YouTube good nga kung mutan-aw ka og kanang usa ka vlogger, let's say si Kong, mutan-aw ka ni Kong karon at the end of maybe later after 3 hours or 1 hour or maybe after a minute ang imuhang kanang dashboard sa imong YouTube is daghan na kayog recommendation videos ni Kong. So kana. Then lastly we have Tesla. So uses computer vision to power self-driving features on their cars. So kana siya. Then if you want to read more about deep learning versus machine learning, so you can just click this link but later na lang na. So how about AI in the workforce? So lain sa kayo nga ang AI gamiton na nato personally. So AI is also applied in the workforce. So artificial intelligence is prevalent across many industries. Automating tasks that don't require human intervention saves money and time, of course, and can reduce the risk of human error. Here are a couple of ways AI could be employed in different industries. So dire mostly kaning duha ang gigamitan gyud og AI. Number one, finance industry. So the industry that deals with money. So usa man na ilang gigamit. So fraud detection is a notable use case for AI in the finance industry. AI's capability to analyze large amounts of data enables it to detect anomalies or patterns that signal fraudulent behavior. Another example of application of AI in the finance industry is kana bitang mga OTP kanang mo send ka for example sa GCash mo send ka og kwarta sa imong kaila baron. So dili man ka makasend dayon-dayon ana, di ba? Mangayo man gyud og OTP sa inyo ha. So kana siya i-check na nila if once nga dili nimo ma-input ang OTP, so there's a chance nga ma-detect din ayay murag nani problema or something like that or basig scam ba ni or unsa na. Another example will be kanang let's say makawat ang inyong credit card unya gitransact ang inyong credit card sa lain nga let's say gipalitan ba na ron og iPhone. So kana mo text dayon sa imuha nga oy ikaw ni ang nipalit og iPhone 15 Pro Max. So please send lang or kana reply ani nga reply in this link so nga na ba. So kana ma-detect yun niya. Then next we have the healthcare industry. So AI powered robotics could support surgeries close to highly delicate organs or tissue to mitigate blood loss or risk of infection. So kana karon dili na manual ay manual gihapon ang kanang pagbuhat sa operations like surgeries sa hospitals but today mas ni-enhance siya kay nagamit na og AI powered robots. So naa gihapon ang doktor bali si doktor lang ang nag-operate ato nga robot. So kana siya. Okay? Do you have any questions so far? Thumbs up lang if wala. Okay? Sige. Thank you. Padayon ta. So next, what is artificial general intelligence or AGI? So AGI refers to a theoretical state in which computer systems will be able to achieve or exceed human intelligence, or in other words, AGI is true artificial intelligence as depicted in countless science fiction novels, television shows, and movies and comics. So, as for the precise meaning of AI itself, researchers don't quite agree on how we could recognize true artificial intelligence. So, kana, dili pa gyud kayo until now dili pa gyud kaayo nga Sa nga na ni dili pa gid kay taing makaingon nga ang AI karon is mo ginay pinaka-true kay once again makaingon ra ta if ang AI is true AI or pinaka-legit yun nga AI if iya na gyung mapulihan ang trabaho sa usa ka tawo. AI karon di man kay ba dili man siya kay ba mo analyze. Kay ba siya mo gather og data, but dili siya kay ba mo analyze. Bali kumbaga gisugo ra siya para gisugo ra ang AI para mag-generate sa based atong specifications nga atong or instructions nga atong gihatag niya. So yan na. Okay? Then asa to? However, the most famous approach to identifying whether a machine is intelligent or not is using the Turing test or imitation game. Familiar ba mo ni? Turing test. So Turing test is used to check if ang naggamit sa computer is a bot or not. So an example of the Turing test is kana bitong inig-open ninyo kana na ay captcha nga I am not a robot. So kana. So mo na siya example nga ma-identify niya if ang nagamit ba ron is robot ba or dili. So an experiment that was first outlined by influential mathematician, computer scientist, and cryptanalyst Alan Turing in the 1950 paper on computer intelligence. So according to Turing, he described a three-player game in which a human interrogator is asked to communicate via text with another human in a machine and judge who composed each response. If the interrogator cannot reliably identify the human, then Turing says the machine can be said to be intelligent. So kana consider another example of kanang AI is kato bitong SimSimi. Kaabot pa mo na SimSimi or wala na. Kaabot dahil kato bitong chatan sa to chat nga random bisag kuan kay makahibaw siya nimo ana. So kana siya another example of AI to siya. So, to complicate matters, researchers and philosophers also can quite agree whether we're beginning to achieve AGI or if it's still far off or just completely impossible. For example, while a recent paper from Microsoft Research and OpenAI argues that ChatGPT-4 is an early form of AGI, many other researchers are skeptical of these claims and argue that they were just made for publicity. So mo to siya, akong opinion with ChatGPT, dili gid ko makaingon nga AI nga legit yun si ChatGPT. So, and wala na siya, ako rin yung opinion guys ha. Once again, you can contradict my opinions, you can, or you can agree with me, but kana siya. So, makaingon gid ko nga si ChatGPT, dili pa gid siya ingon nga AI gid nga legit nga AI. Mura na siya enhanced form of our search browsers or search engines. So, kana siya. Okay? So, strong versus weak AI. So, this is a statement or no? When researching AI, artificial intelligence, you might have come across the terms strong and weak AI. So, though these terms might seem confusing, you like already have a sense of what they mean. So when we say strong AI, is essentially AI that is capable of human level general intelligence. Or in other words, it's just another way to say artificial general intelligence. Examples are kana ChatGPT, unsa pa? Bard, I think kanara ko mahunahunaan nga example. Weak AI, on the other hand, refers to the narrow use of widely available AI technology like machine learning or deep learning. So to perform a very specific task such as playing chess, recommending songs, or steering cars, also known as artificial narrow intelligence or ANI. Weak AI is essentially the kind of AI we use daily. So kana siya. Another example of weak AI is kanang mga sensors sa atong smart home. If you are using smart homes no, kung smart home ang imong balay sa naol. So kana siya. Now let's identify four types of AI. So dili na ni pasahon. So focus sa tani. First, we have what we call reactive machines. So these are the most basic type of artificial intelligence. Machines built in this way don't possess any knowledge of previous events, but instead only react to what is before them in a given moment. As a result, they can only perform certain advanced tasks within a very narrow scope, such as playing chess, and are incapable of performing tasks outside of their limited context. So another example of reactive machines are sensors that are present, or IoT devices. So ana siya. Next, we have what we call limited memory machines. So these are machines with limited memory that possess limited understanding of past events. They can interact more with the world around them than reactive machines can. So for example, self-driving cars use a form of limited memory to make turns, observe approaching vehicles, and adjust their speed. However, machines with only limited memory cannot form a complete understanding of the world because their recall of past events is limited and only used in a narrow band of time. So kumbaga dali dili ra kayo ingon nga na siya'y maximum capacity of learning kay gamay ra man iyang memory. So mura siya goldfish nga kanang 5 seconds sa iyang memory span sing ana nga kuan ba in general explanation ba. Next, we have theory of mind machines. So machines that possess a theory of mind represent an early form of artificial general intelligence in addition to being able to create representations of the world. Machines of this type would also have an understanding of other entities that exists within the world. As of this moment, this reality has still not materialized. So wala pa kayo ni. So theory pa ni siya. Kanay, theory of mind. So more on papers pa ni, wala pa ni siya ma-apply karon. And lastly, we have self-aware machines. So machines with self-awareness are the theoretical most advanced type of AI and would possess an understanding of the world, others, and itself. This is what most people mean when they talk about achieving AGI. And currently, wala pa gid kayo ni siya ma-realize karon. Okay? So arita sa benefits and dangers of AI. So in this table, general lang naay lima ka buok kuan diri. Unahon na to si benefits. So AI greater accuracy for certain repeatable tasks such as assembling vehicles or computers. So kana siya, mas paspas no, and mas efficient siya in terms of a budget of time consumption kay dali ra dayon. Walay errors, or if naaman gani gamay ra gid kaayo like 0.001%, no. Next, decrease operational cost due to greater efficiency of machines. Next, increase personalization within digital services and products. Improve decision making in certain situations. And lastly, ability to quickly generate new content such as text or images. How about potential dangers? So kana, pinaka number one yun is kani, job loss due to increased automation. So if ang kumpanya mo rely na gid kaayo sa AI, there is a tendency nga manaktak gina sila og tao. Mangob gyud na sila kaldero. Kay mas gasto man kung magsweldo sila og tao kaysa AI or kaysa machine ra ilang buo gamiton nya. Ang gasto ra nila one time purchase sa machine unya maintenance lang. Ang tao man gud kada buwan kinahanglan sweldohan. So kana siya. Another example, another potential dangers of AI, potential for bias or discrimination as a result of the data set on which the AI is trained. Yes, na nagresugan. Kana sad, nag-comment sakto sad na Ivan nga dili tapulan ang machine. Or kumbaga, ang machine is suguon ra gyud nimo, nya wala siya reklamo. Ang tao suguon nimo, pwede man mo reklamo, pwede mo tando, pwede sa dili. Or kontra gusto. Ana. So another is kaning katawa ko aning kaning potential danger for bias or discrimination as a result of the data set on which the AI is trained kay naatoy as kalimot ko asa ko kabasa ato murag sa 9gag man siguro to, murag naato siya article nga murag balita to siya ba nga naatoy gikandak nga AI or murag AI something sa US, kalimot ko unsa nga state niya, ilang gi-shutdown kay ang AI kay every time nga makakita siya black person iyang kay bawo na mo unsay i-describe sa AI. So kato ilang gi-shutdown ang AI kay racist kuno kaayo ang AI. So also it does not only apply on kanang black ng people with African descent but also Asians. Ya, naa sa toy usa nga murag gi-invalidate nila ang ang katong AI kay ang si person 1 is pareha gyud sila gnaong ni person 2, Asian to sila. So kumbaga inig open ni inig tan-aw ni person 2 sa kanang device ni person 1 kay mo open gyud iyahang cellphone. Kay kana pareha lagi kuno sila gnaong pero dili sila kadugo ha or twin. So kuan na gyud murag ang facial feature nila is kanang look alike gid kaayo. So kana. Next, possible cybersecurity concerns. So magani kasagaran no or mostly pinakakuyaw gid kay wala pa kaayoy once again sa networks dili pa kayo ingon nga kusgan or strong ang ato ang in terms of kanang security and particularly sa IoT dili pa kayo isog or dili pa kayo lig-on ang security nato dihang dapita. Next, lack of transparency over how decisions are arrived at, resulting in less than optimal solutions. And lastly, potential to create misinformation as well as inadvertently violate laws and regulations. So, an example of this one, kaning potential to create misinformation is kana mga deepfake. Deepfake ba? Kana bitaw ang mga naong kay ang mga naong sa kwan is ilisan og laing naong. So, kana another is kana mag-generate og image kuno katong ni kuan karon sa lately lang katong kang Taylor Swift nga kuan gibuhatan siya og kanang AI generated pics. So, ni backlash to dagan kay galagot nga fans ni Taylor Smith at Taylor Swift atong katong tawo nga nag-generate atong nga AI. Okay? So, there are just some of the ways that AI provides benefits and dangers to society. When using new technologies like AI, it's best to keep a clear mind about what it is and isn't. With great power comes with great responsibility after all. So that will be the end of my discussion. If you want to learn more about AI using our reference Coursera, there are multiple links here na pwede ninyong gamiton. So by the way, these are the article sources nga atong gi-kuan karon. And I think that will be all for today. And I would also kuan guys, please go enroll sa katong Harvard nga link nga gihatag ni Sir Engineer Rafran nato. We will be using that one later. And also please study Python. So we will be using Python as our language for this subject. Okay? Sige. So, time check, it's already 7:48. So, I will leave you early lang para maka-breakfast mo kay I think you still have classes after. Like, sa day oras sa mama na tong klase. Alas 8:30 data sa. Alas 8 ba? Alas 9. Introductory hours. So, mahuman ta supposedly is 8:30. So, magunsa man ta. Man na ko this. Kuha lang, please ko guys, enroll lang sa kaning introduction to artificial intelligence with Python sa katong link akong gi-share ninyo. Sige, so for now, I will leave you early lang. And also, reminders, please go submit your online activity sa kaning nga subject. Akong gi-reset ang iyahang due date. So please ko katong 13 people nga wala pa ka pass. Please ko guys ha. Ang deadline na to gi-move na ko until tomorrow para dako-dako patag oras. Sige. So attendance ako para mamahaw tadaan para prepare mo sa your next class. Please say present or you can raise your virtual hand or if guba inyong mic, pwede ra gyud mo chat sa chat box when your name is called. Let's have Kabag. Wala si Kabag. Canonigo. Wala pod. Kapisnon.
Present, sir.
Sige, thank you. Carbos. Wala pod. Siniza. Thank you. Dagle. Wala. De la Victoria. Thank you.
Present, sir.
Uh, sige, thank you. Felices.
Present, sir.
Ating mangutana ko ba ang classmate raman mo tanan no sa kaning subjects nga under nako. Kaning classmate ra mo tanan CPA 3218, 3220 o 322. Sige.
Yes, sir.
Kay basig sayop akong attendance di ba? Sige ako Osbon, Felices, okay na ni.
Present, sir.
Si Gabato,
Present, sir.
okay, thank you. Si Ibarra, wala si Ibarra.
Present,
Lebron,
sir. Present.
oh tara day. Sorry, sorry. Sorry. Sige, okay na ni. Lebron,
Present, sir.
karon pa ni Sod. So, good morning. Lucero,
Morning, sir.
Present, sir.
okay, thank you. Mahinay,
Present, sir.
thank you. Mahusay, mahusay na ah. Tara, tara. Thank you. Mandreza,
Present, sir.
thank you. Nigre,
Present, sir.
thank you. Niadas,
Present, sir.
thank you. Umandak,
Present, sir.
thank you. Omega,
Present, sir.
thank you. Omictin,
Present, sir.
thank you. Swan,
Present, sir.
thank you. Sumalinog,
Present, sir.
thank you. Suralta,
Present, sir.
thank you. Texon,
Present, sir.
thank you. Tuto,
Present, sir.
thank you. Valizado,
Present, sir.
thank you. Villacampa,
Present, sir.
thank you. Genon,
Present, sir.
thank you. Og si Codino. Sige. Kisa wa matawag. Tawag ra tanan.
Ako, sir.
Hernandez.
Present, sir.
Ako lay kuan. Hernandez. Sa first name is Tobias King. Tobias. Sige, okay na ni. Kisa pa. Aside from Hernandez. Wala na. Silence means wala na. Sige. So, kato lang sa for today. Kuha na lang atong oras gamitan na chill lang sa mo diya or pamahaw lang mo daan. Sige. So, thank you guys for attending today's class. And next week, online man mo next week, no? Online ba next week or face to face mo?
Online, sir.
Online.
Online. Okay. So, see you guys next week and hatag lang ko update sa unsay atong mga mahitabo inig next week pohon. Sige. Salamat kayo. Balik-balik mo pohon. Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hi,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir.